Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists.
This is Jen reporting live from the ITEXPO Miami show floor. I'm here with Sergey from Gurtam. Sergey, can you tell me a little bit more about Gurtam?
Yeah, absolutely, and thanks for having us on the show. So Gurtam is the software developer for the M2M applications in general. We have a very powerful and scalable platform that can be leveraged to build a variety of solutions for the M2M applications. The solution that we are presenting at the show today is about GPS tracking and fleet management. We've been in this space for about 10 years and we've accumulated a wealth of experience when it comes to GPS tracking and fleet management. We currently track, our solutions currently used to track more than 500,000 vehicles. Well, not only vehicles, but also personal trackers, asset trackers, etc. worldwide. So we have just recently expanded it into the US market. We established an office in Boston about 6 months ago, and we are looking to attain a strong foothold in this market at this point in time.
Great, and what products are you showcasing at ITEXPO Miami?
So we are showing our cloud platform, which allows to do quite very sophisticated things when it comes to GPS tracking and fleet management. And I have my colleague Oksana here with us today, who's going to show a little bit of an overview of what the platform does, just to give you a little bit of a sense of what it's all about.
Okay, go ahead, Oksana.
Let me give you a quick walk through our software. As you may see, this is the basic interface, and this is the Miami territory, and you see the expo and the real units moving. We connected the trackers, so you may see the real situation, and here is the mini map and the street view of the units moving during the streets. And here you see some menus with the basic functionality that Velan offers to its customers. Like we have the points of interest. You may see the weather, for example, or we have the cameras that give us the view on the streets at the current moments. We have a very powerful reporting model, template-based, where you can choose the characteristics that you would like to see in the reports, how to control the security and effectiveness or costs of the vehicles that you are using. Then we have the drivers model that can connect different drivers and control the behavior and schedules of their work. And moreover, we have different applications that can be connected to our system, and these applications are actually developed by our own resources and by our partners, and they extend the functionality of Velan to, I would say, unlimited resources. We use different maps and Google Maps, and we also developed our own Gurtam maps so that the customers have a great variety of choices how to use our system, and it's applicable to practically any field, any industry, and we have a lot of integrators. And we have a lot of devices integrated in our system. Practically any device that is available on the market can work with our system. So you saw the basic interface and how it works, and I would say it's really user-friendly. And you may just prove it and see it yourself.
Great, thank you. And what makes this product stand out from the rest in the industry?
Sure. So some of the main differentiating factors, the way we see them, is first of all, as Oksana touched upon that, a very large number of different device models that we currently work with. At this point, we support close to 600 different device models that's ready to be connected and work on our platform, and we constantly expand that selection. The other thing is that, so we are strictly the software provider. We do not offer the full, complete package of services for tracking. So we sell into the service providers who use our software, add the hardware element and also the data connection, bundle it all up and sell to the end user. So when it comes to our relationship with the service provider, we We do not put them in any long-term commitments in contracts. It's all month to month. We want our service providers to be completely comfortable with the product. We support them every step of the way and make sure that they're 100% satisfied. And if they're not, they can walk away any minute, and we barely ever see that happening. We also we have a 24/7 technical support for our product, and those, I would say, the main differentiating factors at this point, the way we see them and the way we position the company.
Great, and what has the attendee response been at the event?
The response has been great. We've met with a lot of partners and customers of ours. One thing that we're also trying to make sure is that we're not just a vendor, right? Not just the company who provides the software. We also provide our customers with a network of the contacts that we have that would help them run their business. So the contacts when it comes to the hardware manufacturers, the data service providers, the installators, and any services that the service provider would need to be effective in providing in doing their business, we can help out with. So we come in not just as a software vendor, but as a trusted advisor and partner to our clients.
Great, and what type of attendees and other enterprises are you meeting while you're here?
So hardware vendors, we have a number of them joining us at the booth at different points in time during the exhibition hours. A variety of different data service providers, as I said, installation companies, et cetera, et cetera. So, and the response has been so far really, really encouraging. We're excited to be here.
Great, and how's your overall experience here in Miami?
Oh, it's great. I flew in from Boston on Tuesday morning. As I was boarding the plane, it was about 16 Fahrenheit. 3 hours later, I'm into 80-degree weather. So can't be more exciting than that. So it's great. It's great.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Jen.
You're welcome.
Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.